Hello YouTube, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I got this on eBay. It's the media mod for the GoPro Hero 8. I really wanted this so I could put an external microphone in my helmet or if I was doing a video. Hopefully it's in good shape. It was $118 Australian. Looks like it's in the box. They've done a really good job packing it. And it looks very new, all plastic wrapped. They're giving me the receipt. It came from DigiDirect. So far I recommend this company a lot. They were really fast, so it only took a couple of days to get here, and they said it wasn't going to be here till next week, and it's Friday today. The box looks perfect. It's sealed, hasn't been opened. It's about to get opened for sure. Even the tape's strong. There we go. Such a huge box for such a little thing, right? All it is this thing right here. So it's got a microphone in the front and a microphone in the rear. The reason I got this is because it's got the 3.5mm adapter for your external mic. It's also got, you can put a USB like in there for your battery pack, so you can make it last, your battery lasts longer on your GoPro. And it's got all the buttons, so once you do put it on, you still got your button for your shutter, you still got your button for your power, and this pops out here, and then your GoPro is going to slide in there, and then that's going to slide, put back on top of your GoPro. So we'll check it out, see whether it works. I'm going to be using this while I'm moto vlogging, but I'm also going to give it a try, you know, just around the house as well, or whatever we do. See you, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and see you on the next vid.